Okay, guys, despite all the odds that's been stacked up against me dealing with this situation, going way back to the shop that painted the car the first time, having it for 2 years and doing just a okay job at best, we're finally here. We're going to get the car into the makeshift paint booth. I'm excited. It's been on jack stands almost a couple years, so it's cool to see it kind of roll on its own. And although I'm not driving it, we're going to push it out. I don't want to start anything. I got the engine covered. I got everything covered, so we couldn't start it. But and I couldn't see out the windows, of course. But we're going to get this thing out to the makeshift paint booth and let the journey begin of me becoming an amazing painter. So hope you guys tune in, stay with me with this throughout this journey, and we're gonna get it knocked out. So let's get the car to the garage. Forward, man. Step back there. Look good under there. Oh man, I love that look. That looks great under there. My first time seeing it on the ground. That looks really good. Look at the symmetry.